In this video, we will discuss about the ring windows function. So before selecting the ring function or defining the ring window function, let's see how many entries are there. Let's say select star from orders is my table, existing table, and I'm going to execute that. Okay, this is the existing table. Or you can check the laptop underscore table over there and execute. So we are having lab table. Okay, so let's see the laptop not there in my data set. The laptop is here. Okay, so I just check, I just define one row number. So ROW row, and then I'm defining row number, and then space over on which I want to perform this row number. Let's say over order by price, right? And give the alias name of row number. So this is row price and hit run. You can see this row number is having, not only this price is having increasing order, you can see the increasing order of price is there, and row number is accordingly, and all the row number are having unique integer number. You can see it's equivalent to the serial number which is defined on the very first column name, and this is the SQL method. You can define the row number over there. Okay, now if you want to define some partition value, and on the basis of given price or given activation number, active one defined. So what we will do, we will write partition by active on website, comma, order by price as row number, right? So this comma won't be there. You can see this row number is defined 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 for the active on website 0. It's starting from 1 2 3 4 for the active on website again 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 3 and so on. So last number is not 119, last row number is 112. The reason being, all the first 7 rows are distracted or extracted from the on the basis of active on windows. So it's, in other words, you can see two classes. First class is belonging to 0, active on website. Second class is for active on website 1. So on the basis of this row number, on the basis of these two classes, it's defining row number. Okay? And over, what is the over functionality there? It is going to partition. Partition by is optional, but order by is somewhere mandatory. If I'm removing this partition by, let's say cut X and giving just value and execute, you can see it's showing error because it's mandatory to provide over clause with order by. Hence, it's mandatory to provide the order by upon any column. It's not necessary you are giving the price, but on any column, either column. But partition by is the optional. So in this case, I'm removing now order by and hit execute. You can see my my objective is completed and showing row price. But partition by is conclusion that partition by is optional, but order by is mandatory in case of row number. Okay, so if once you have row number, once you have row price, you can solve so many numbers, right? So what we can do, we can out various values, various numbers, various architect on the basis of row number. We will see in the upcoming series what we can do upon row number.